Hello friends, I am FlixNJ. So this is my first tech video on my channel. Sorry, actually it's not actually my first tech video. I have already made some videos previously, like based on Audacity. You can see it on the screen right now, and this is one of my what great videos ever gonna be. So let's get started. So as you saw in the YouTube thumbnail, today I'm going to show you how to add extensions to Chrome. So what are extensions? So they are simply some web applications which you can get in any browser, any popular browsers on, like I have Microsoft Edge here, and in Microsoft Edge it is known as apps, and you can get it from right there. And after that you also have Google Mozilla Firefox. So when you go there you can see add-ons right there, but it's on the Chrome that you can see a lot of such apps, and in Chrome it is known as extensions. So today we will see how to get those extensions right on Chrome. So first of all, if you are a new person to this channel, subscribe for more tech videos. So go to new tab. You just need to click the plus icon on the tab. Then you just go to the three dots on the top right corner of your browser's window, and click that, and go to more tools and click extensions. Then you have to click these three um, horizontal dashes. Then here is a thing like open Chrome web store. Click there, and here are two options for you: extensions and themes. And it is in the extensions that you basically get those app like things, and it's in the themes tab you will get basically the themes for Chrome, how you want your Chrome to be. Actually they are like wallpaper or themes for your Chrome. And yeah, there are also categories right here. You can also search through filters like how much stars you got. Yeah, in extension we have features like run offline. We can search through it by Google, free, available for Android, and works with Google Drive. So you can do all that right there, and they will while you search they will give the filtered items. So for example, now I'm gonna search for an application called Screenshot. Look, now you have got a plenty of applications right there. And yeah, if you want more extensions you can click there, so you'll get a lot of extensions. And this is some more popular, and yeah, Nimbus Screenshot and Screen Video, and it is much more popular, and it's with that I'm recording right now this video for you. So you just click I'm just gonna click this. So if you click there you can also see the details like that, the ratings and more. You can add it to Chrome either by staying in that page by clicking add to Chrome, or you can just click after reading the descriptions. You can click add to Chrome. Then there will be a pop-up, add one click full page screenshot. So it will show all details. So you want to click add extension in order to add. If you don't want it, if you accidentally did it, you can click cancel, click add extension. By then it have been added. So if you are adding some large type of apps, any large app, it will show downloading process also here. So since this was a very small um, application, it doesn't show that. So that's it, how you add it. Now you can also access it through by this way. So you can uh, search right there, type in Chrome colon slash slash extensions. You can see it right there. And as we have said earlier, you can just click there and click open web store, Chrome web store. So it's the place, as you know. So you can also get this is a place where you manage the applications. So you can just disable or enable it. You can remove or you can get the details like this. So this is APK downloader. So as you disable it, you can see it gone there. So that's it. So this is the camera. Where is it? Yeah, if I click there, you see it. It is hidden right now. When I enable it, it came back. Now in order to use an app, what you want to do is simply click on that. Just simply click like that. So this it is showing like this because another screenshot, this one is in progress. That's why it's not, because it's also a screenshot app. So that's how you do everything. So just click there and more tools, extensions. There you can just manage everything right there. So these are the applications which I have. You can also remove it from here. So I think this was a very good info for you. So if you want to learn more such tech videos, just subscribe to the channel. So bye bye for now. And this is just the beginning. And yeah, I know that I just told some basic things, and this is for them who don't know. More exciting and cool stuffs are gonna come on the way. So till the next video, bye bye.